If we look at all three of these, the training data, putting it into proposed solution, how did our metrics change? Doesn't that sound like a training cycle? So give me a 1 in the chat if that sounds like a training cycle to you, or give me a 0 if it doesn't sound like a training cycle. What do you guys think? Because see, to me, like the authors basically told you the same thing twice. They just said it in 2 different ways. But give me a 1 in the chat if that sounds like a training cycle, or give me a 0 if that doesn't sound like a training cycle to you. I'll give you guys a minute there to vote. So yeah, if you're still on if you're still on Instagram, feel free to join us over on YouTube. The YouTube's format, right now, when I have the classroom view up like this, it doesn't always look so great on Instagram. So if you go to YouTube, you get a wider screen, or you can join us on Twitch. We have our great mod, Rex Riker, over there modding on Twitch. So might be a little more convenient than Instagram. I love Instagram, great platform. It's been good to me. It's just not great on Sundays when I teach this class. Okay, so I'm seeing a lot of 1s in the chat, right? And yeah, I mean, I think you guys are seeing it, right? Resampling is just a training cycle. It's how algorithms learn.